In the last two tutorials, we transformed the drill into a tool and animated the screw. Now we will learn how to create an interaction to make the drill trigger the animation of the screw when these two come into contact. To do this, we need to create an event in our scenario. First, let's access the Visual Programming tool by opening your Remix panel. Then open the nodes constellation and find the dynamic collection, then select the collision node. You will see it appear in your scenario. For the collision node to work, two objects must be connected. First, we will connect the drill's reference node to the collision node. Then, we will do the same with the reference node of the screw. Now you have to create the event related to this interaction. We want the screw animation to be triggered only when the drill comes into contact with it. To do this, simply connect the collision node to the animation node. In the Visual Programming tool, this link will be in a different color. That's because it's a flow connection. Once the connection is established, remember to save your progress, then enter preview mode to test your experience. Once you are in preview mode, go get the drill, get close, and put the two objects into contact. As you can see, the screw gets in its hole with contact with the drill. In the next tutorial, we will add a sound to this interaction for even more realism.